Hello friends, I am Pratima. I welcome you all to my channel. Today I have taken an Olympiad question from number theory. Find all real solution to the system of equations x plus y equals to square root 4 times of z minus 1, y plus z equals to square root of 4 times of x minus 1, and z plus x equals to square root of 4 times y minus 1. So let's proceed for the solution. Before that, I thank all the subscribers for subscribing my channel. So here, let's add all the equations. Adding all the equations will get x plus y plus z plus z plus x equals to 4 times of z minus 1, 4 times of x minus 1, 4 times of x minus 1 plus 4 times of y minus 1, or this is same as twice x plus y plus z minus 4 times of z minus 1 minus 4 times of x minus 1 minus 4 times of y minus 1 equals to 0. So I am not claiming this is the only method. You can proceed in any other method if you like. You can share in the comment section. So here I am taking 2 common from all these numbers terms. So I'll get x plus y plus z minus, if I'll take 2 outside, then it will be your, first I'm writing x terms, it will be your x minus 1 over 4. I have taken 4 common from here, so it will be x minus 1 by 4, and x square root of 4 equals to 2, so I'm cancelling 2 with 0. 2, I'm dividing all the terms with 2. Next will be this y term, it will be your square root y minus 1 over 4, and last one is z minus 1 over 4 equals to 0. In the next line, I'll take x minus 1 by 4 square root together. Next is y minus 1 by 4 square root together, and z minus square root z minus 4 together. After grouping them, I'll make each one as a whole square. So for first one, I need x plus 1 by 4. I'm writing only first term, x minus 1 by 4, and here I added 1 by 4 and subtracted 1 by 4. In the same way, on the second term, it will be y minus 1 by 4 minus square root of y minus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4, and the last one will be your z minus 1 by 4 minus square root of z minus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4. Here, if it would be minus, it will be plus, it will be better to write the terms. So for each terms, I added 1 by 4 and subtracted 1 by 4. And why? I am making them a whole square. So if you'll see, this is square root x minus 1 by 4 whole square, and this is 1 by 2 whole square. So the first term is becoming your, and all this equals to 0. I forgot to write the right hand side. So it will be, now this will be square root x minus 1 by 4 minus 1 by 2 whole square, first term. Second would be square root y minus 1 by 4 minus 1 by 2 whole square, and third one will be square root z minus 1 by 4 minus half square equals to 0. Since square cannot be negative, either it is greater than 0 or equals to 0, and the sum of three squares are 0, that means each one of them is 0. So each of the terms on left hand side equals to 0. So x minus 1 by 4 minus 1 whole square equals to 0. This gives us square root of x minus 1 by 4 minus half equals to 0, or square root of x minus 4 equals to half. Now squaring both the sides, I'll get x minus 1 by 4 equals to 1 by 4, or x equals to here 2 by 4, that is half. So in the same way, y is equal to half. We can take this one, and z equals to half. So these solutions x, y, z triplets to half, half, half. I hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching.